Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the basics are already handled. Stable Wi-Fi, software up to date, and you know the Apple ID details you want to use. Sign out of iCloud quickly. Settings, tap your name, sign out, and then restart the iPad to clear any stuck sessions. Once done, connect to a reliable network and disable VPN or proxies because they interfere with account creation. Now go to Settings, sign into your iPad, and tap Create Apple ID to begin. You will likely hit verification gates next. Here's how to proceed. Enter a real phone number you control and prefer SMS for speed. If the form rejects your region or payment data, set payment method to none and confirm your region matches your Apple ID country. Make sure screen time and restrictions are off because these can block account creation. If you get an error, toggle airplane mode on and off. Then retry. This forces a fresh network handshake and often clears transient server errors. Finish by verifying your email and phone when prompted, accept the terms, and set up a secure password and two-factor authentication. Once your Apple ID is created, sign in on the iPad and re-enable desired settings. If creation still fails, try creating the account on iCloud, or another iOS device to isolate the issue. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset network settings or note the exact error code and contact Apple support, providing that code speeds resolution significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.